Assalamu alaikum, guys. Come with me, subhanAllah. I want you to picture yourself on this boat in the dead of the night, subhanAllah, fleeing difficulties with your children, with your wife, with your loved ones. They're crying out for mercy because they've come from an incredibly difficult situation. They've come from a conflict zone. The only secure was this boat. They had to get on the boat and the motor is broken. They're in the dead of the night and this thing is rocking and turning, subhanAllah, and the children are wailing. This is the condition of many of our children, many of our mothers, and many of our fathers that had to flee for their lives on one of these for 8 hours journey from Yemen to here, from Syria. SubhanAllah, the Rohingya, the Uyghurs, many of them were fleeing in this situation, brothers and sisters. Now it's important that we realize that the difficulties these brothers and sisters have faced, we must share it. We are one ummah. The condition of part of it resembles the rest of it. If it's in pain, it's crying, it's suffering, we are all suffering, brothers and sisters. Am I right? Do you feel this? If the situation was like this, what would you do? If you knew your family was coming to the shore right now on a boat like this, you would run to their aid. And so it is with millions of our brothers and sisters in need today that have taken and undergone such a journey. They need security from you. They need clothing from you. They need food from you. And it is with that one ummah is doing in 15 crisis and calamity countries around the world to save our brothers and sisters from journeys like this, to reach out to them when they come to shore, to grab them, to hug them, to feed them. £90, you can feed 3 families. And then we give them blankets and hats and gloves and scarves when it gets very, very, very cold in the winter months. Are you going to be the guys who pick up the tab, who give your sadaqah, who give your zakah for these most needy people? Brothers and sisters, click the link below. Make it a reality. Let's recreate our love and our family. Let's reach out to our family and embrace them and feed them and clothe them for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will relieve difficulties from us and He will reward us in so many ways in this world and the hereafter, brothers and sisters. Please click the link below and share the video to save our families.